Alright, so we're picking up with the brain teaser that we left off with on the 5th. If you haven't already worked this out, pause the video and work it out yourself. Then play the video and we'll go over it together. If you're ready to start, then let's start. Our question was how many grams of oxygen gas are in 2 liters of oxygen gas at STP. We are looking for the grams of oxygen gas. This is going to be found in Masstown. We're given liters of oxygen gas. This is in Volumenberg. In order to get from Volumenberg to Masstown, we have to go through Mole City. Let's start setting up our conversion factors now. Starting with our 2 liters of oxygen gas, we need to go from Volumenberg to Mole City. We want to cancel out our liters, so liters go on the bottom. Since we're trying to get to moles, moles is what we're looking for, and that goes on the top. Moles is not the thing we want to end up with. We want to travel around Mole City and then go to Masstown. So, to cancel out moles, we'll put those on the bottom. And we're going to have our grams on the top. At this point, you can cross things out to make sure you're ending in terms of grams oxygen gas. Liters of oxygen gas cancel with liters of oxygen gas. Moles of oxygen gas cancels with moles of oxygen gas. This will leave us in terms of grams of oxygen gas. Now let's plug in our numbers. In order to get from Volumenberg up to Mole City, we have to use Interstate 22.4. This 22.4 is in terms of liters per 1 mole. So 22.4 goes here, and 1 mole goes on the top. Then, to travel from Mole City to Masstown, we use molar mass road. Molar mass is in terms of grams per 1 mole. So again, 1 mole, and then our molar mass, or our grams for molar mass, goes on the top. To find this, we use the atomic mass for oxygen, which is 16.00. Remember, we're thinking about this in terms of grams. We will multiply this by 2 since we have 2 oxygens. This will give us 32.00 grams per 1 mole of oxygen 2 gas. We'll use our 32.00 here, and now we're ready to do our math. Remember, anything multiplied or divided by 1 is itself, so we don't need to worry about the 1 right now. So, we are going to divide our 2 by 22.4 and then multiply by 32.00. This should give us the answer of 2.857 grams of oxygen gas.